Are you a technical writer looking to make the most out of LinkedIn? Welcome to the world where professional networking meets knowledge sharing. LinkedIn, with its vast user base, is a treasure trove for technical writers. It's not just about job hunting, it's a platform that offers endless opportunities for learning, growth, and meaningful connections. From joining specialized groups to finding mentors, LinkedIn can be your launchpad to new heights. Now let's dive into how you can maximize your LinkedIn experience as a technical writer. Firstly, it's crucial to engage with the community. This means joining groups such as the Technical Writer Forum group has over 52,000 members, and subscribing to feeds like #TechCom and #TechnicalWriting. These platforms are filled with industry trends, advice, and discussions that can enrich your knowledge and skills. Moreover, they offer you a chance to participate in conversations, share your expertise, and learn from the experiences of others. Being a part of these communities not only helps you stay informed, but also builds your professional network. Next, it's all about networking and building relationships. As a technical writer, particularly if you're freelancing, your connections are crucial. So how do you build these connections? Start by reaching out to other writers. Engage in conversations, share insights, and maintain contact. Over time, these relationships can become a valuable resource. You might even find they're willing to refer you for job openings within their organizations. So go out there and build those relationships. Remember, your network is your net worth. Lastly, identifying a mentor or multiple mentors is a game changer. Picture this: a seasoned professional in technical writing sharing their wealth of experience, guiding you through challenges, and assisting you in navigating your career path. On LinkedIn, you can spot potential mentors by their expertise, their contributions to discussions, and their influence in the community. Stay in touch, seek their advice, share your progress. Remember, a mentor is not a one-time consultant, but a continuous source of inspiration. A mentor can provide valuable insights and guidance that can significantly boost your career. In conclusion, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for technical writers. By joining relevant groups and feeds, networking, building relationships, and identifying mentors, you can truly leverage this platform. So go ahead and make the most of LinkedIn to grow and thrive as a technical writer.